What is up, guys? Back with another video. My channel is Eisenhard GM. I do videos on a daily basis, bringing you websites and apps. Put a little money, extra money in your pocket. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Alright, today's video, get paid to walk. Do what you do every single day. It's called My Achievement. You can download this app on Apple App Store or Google Play. Show you guys how this app works. You can connect My Achievement with any existing app, Fitbit, Apple, Google Fit. Connect, earn points. Choose up from 20 plus popular apps. Earn $10 for every 10,000 points. Redeemable by PayPal. You can do it in cash or donate charity. Rewards are paid within 7 business days. Not only can you get points by walking, you can do some surveys too to help boost up your points. $300 million plus achievement members. Alright guys, show you what potential of money you guys can do, can make. Alright guys, I'm 5'10". I'm not good. This is the average pace per mile. Bring this. I think that's very doable. 5,000 steps per day. Say any of you guys work in a factory, right there you can achieve that one right there. You can do a mile easily. So it's mile per steps. Alright guys, yes. When you sign up, you get 50 points just for signing up. And there's a 80 point, excuse me guys, 80 point per day. So let's do this. 10,000 points divided by the max you can get is 80 points per day. So that's a little over, well, that's 4 months. 4 months. All right, 10 times. So you make $40 a year on this app. Yes, is the money worth it? No, but why not get paid to do something that you do on a daily basis? I mean, that's extra $40 too that you don't have. You can look at it that way. On top of what other stuff you do, you can make money. Yes, for the money, is it worth it? No. Would I recommend this? Yes. What do you have to lose? So that's all I got for this one, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like for the till my next video, guys. Peace, guys. I'm out.